All right, let's look at the homework 8.2, problem number 7. Right, so we want to solve this equation. Cosine of theta is equal to -1/2 for theta. Right, so let's do that, and theta has to be between 0 and 2 pi. All right, so let's draw the unit circle. So you have so here's the x-axis. And here is the y-axis. Oops. Y-axis. Alright, then here is my unit circle, and try my best to draw a nicest looking circle. Alright, so I failed, but here 1, -1, -1, and 1 here. All right, so we want cosine value to be -1/2. Remember that the cosine represents the x coordinate, right? And so we want x coordinate to be -1/2. So -1/2 would be right here, right? X value is here. So it's a -1/2 there, right? So we are looking at the point on the unit circle whose coordinate is -1/2. So you can see that we can find a couple points. This is one other point, and here's another point, right? So these 2 points are on the unit circle. At the same time, x coordinate is -1/2, right? So we are looking at, so connect this to the origin, and then connect the other point to the origin. So we can think of a couple of angles, right? So first angle would be from here to there, right? So that'll be the one of the theta value, right? Another one that you can think of would be going all the way to here, right? Maybe I'll call this guy theta 1, and that guy, so all the bigger one, I'm gonna call it say theta 2, right? So we have to find the angle, right? But if you remember, if you focus on this triangle right here, right? So visualize this right triangle, right? This is the one with the ratio 1, and this is 1/2 because it's -1/2 here. So this is 1/2, and this is square root of 3/2. So this is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle, right? So we know that this angle right here is 60 degrees, right? So all the way going from here to there is 180, and you have to subtract 60, so that's going to be 120 there, right? So theta 1 is going to be 120. Oops. 120 degrees. Right? Or if you want to write, I guess we should probably answer it radians. So 120 is same as 2 pi over 3, because pi over 3 is 60. So so this is in radians, right? And another one, so theta 2 is going to be, right? So you want to go all the way around here. So this is 180 up to here. Then you go all the way here. So that's 60 more degrees. So 180 plus 60, so 240, right? So that's in degrees, right? So this is going to be just to double that. So it's the same thing as 4 pi over 3 radians, right? So let's type those in. All right, so answer we got was 2 pi, 2, and maybe pi should be somewhere in here, right? 2 pi, right, over 3, and also 4 pi over 3, right? So let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.